Hi, my name is Demetrius, and I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be getting targeted traffic back to your websites, blogs, affiliate sites, e-com stores, anything basically online using our cloud-based software and training that we have for you inside Pinbank. Pinbank is a training and software that works alongside based on our exact blueprint on how we were able to achieve massive success with targeted traffic coming from the fourth biggest platform online. You're going to be learning exactly the process to get not only thousands but millions of views within months. So this process will be shared with you inside the main training area. It's a step-by-step process, over-the-shoulder videos, plus 100+ pages that you can follow along as well if you'd like. And these modules will set you up so you can get access to our software. So right now, let's get inside the actual software so you can see how this software will work and how it will help you achieve the results that we're talking about. Alongside with our main training area, you'll be using our cloud-based software, Pinbank, that will help you extract all the data that you need to start driving that targeted traffic back to your websites, your blogs, your e-com stores. Anything that you have online will be able to get you eyeballs and engagements and plus sales. This is a powerful software that uncovers top trending searches, top converting content, and the best performing pins and boards on Pinterest. There are 6 extraction tools that are built in this software that will help you get the information that you want. For the first section, which is the popular keywords, you're going to be able to generate hundreds of top popular keywords directly from the Pinterest search engine that people are looking for when they're on Pinterest. So when people are searching for yoga, then you get all these types of information. However, our software already does that for you, and plus gives you more information based on the keywords that you're going to be using. These are the top keywords that are running right now, and there are many options for you to use. Our second section is our trends section. This is where you're going to be getting the latest trends. You'll be searching in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada. You'll be getting the latest trends. You can choose specific trends, and you can see what's working right now and how you can take advantage of this for your own campaigns. You'll be able to stay ahead of the competition knowing which top trends are spiking right now. All you have to do is just enter a keyword inside the search bar, and then from here, it'll start bringing you all the information that you're looking for in terms of that specific keyword. And you can get all the results that you're looking for in the trends. The next section is our pin extraction tool. Our tool will go out and find all the actual pins that are working right now with a lot of details based on these pins. And you have more options based on different types of categories within those pins. Like if something was liked, something people were liking it, they were wowing it, they were loving it, they were commenting on it. All the information is right inside your dashboard, so you can go out and emulate and copy and just create something that's similar from something that already works. Plus, it's giving you information on what they're offering, what they're promoting. With our boards extractor tool, it's very important to know which Pinterest boards are producing the best results because they're vital to any online campaign. With our Pinbank, you'll be able to extract all the boards that are based on your keywords, and you can get more information about what these boards have, how many pins are included inside, and plus from again our list of the column section, you can choose all these different types of information that you want from the board followers, board name, pin counts, board links, topics, categories, etc. So it gives you a lot of information for you to go out and start on your next campaign. And finally, the last part is people category, which is basically spying on your competition. This is a great feature because you'll be able to go out and see what people are promoting, where they're promoting, their actual website, if they're verified, if they're not, if they have a store, and all this will help you with your research campaigns and start building your own business online to drive that traffic over. When I talk about business online, I'm talking about basically picking a niche in any niche and start building content around it to drive that traffic to it. And this will help you actually get that traffic almost immediately, and you start seeing results within the first month. The more you work on our software and the training that we have for you, you'll be getting views and visits and engagements throughout every month of the year. So thank you for watching. This is Pinbank Demo, and I'll talk to you inside Pinbank.